Hey there, maybe this video is going to be completely useless and I'm sorry, but I just want to make this quick guide for you if your BMW 1 series got no power when accelerating and what you can try to do. So first you can use the diagnostic tool to read BMW default codes. Then you can inspect and clean components, and you want to look just on YouTube how to clean every single this component. Mass airflow sensor, clean or replace it. Fuel injectors, ensure they are clean and function correctly. Fuel filter, also you want to replace it if clogged. Air intake, check for any restrictions or dirt. Then you can have examine turbo and related components. So turbo variable vanes, ensure they are not stuck and are functioning properly. Boost leak, check for any leaks in the boost system. E.g. air valve, ensure it is not clogged or sealed up. Then you're gonna have the fuel pump, ensure it's working correctly and providing adequate pressure. Fuel supply line, check for any blockages or leaks. Then you can also inspect the air filter, cabin air filter. Then for the mechanical restrictions, I know it's like much, but these are the things because it can be like many issues why it's happening, right? Throttle flaps, exhaust system, check for blockages or restrictions. Then you're gonna have ensure it is fully charged and functioning correctly. What I do with the battery is that I just have it like a look on the volts for your battery, electrical connections. Then you can have also water pump, ensure it's functioning correctly and not causing overheating issues, coolant levels. Then also throttle body, clean and ensure it's functioning correctly. And then you're gonna have the throttle position sensor. So I just want to make this like a quick guide, maybe for you, that maybe some of it is going to like fix the issue for you. I just want to summarize is like what can be the problem. And maybe this video was completely useless and you can say why I even made it, but I know that some of you that you're gonna just check the mass airflow sensor or fuel injectors and you're gonna clean it and it's going to work. So have a great day and goodbye.